Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Location services and high-accuracy GPS must be on, and you must be signed into the Google account tied to your device. Once done, open Google Maps and tap your profile to confirm location history and web and app activity are enabled. These settings collect the data. You do this now because without them, Maps can't log travel. If they are already on, proceed. If not, enable them and allow a few minutes for the system to register the change. Next, open Google Maps, tap your profile icon, and select your timeline. You'll see today's route. Make sure to pick the exact date or custom range you need. Once you choose a day, review the timeline entries, stops, routes, and times, and use the transport mode filter to separate walking, driving, or transit. If entries look coarse, tap specific stops to view place details and timestamps. You do this to verify each recorded segment and to correct misclassified trips or add missing places manually. Finally, export or manage your travel history. Tap the three-dot menu in Timeline to download a KML/JSON copy or to delete days you don't want. You can edit individual stops directly, assign place names, or adjust times, then save to correct the record. If you don't see expected trips, make sure the correct Google account was used, device clock and time zone are accurate, and sync is active. These factors often block entries. If problems persist, toggle location history off and on, wait 15 minutes and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.